Hi, I'm Tom Kalura with Brainmaster Technologies. I'm going to be explaining the Event Wizard and some of the new capabilities in the 2.5 SE software for advanced protocols, including coherence, percent energy, and other types of training. Keep in mind when using these protocols, keep your skills current and try and get the latest training you can so that you can apply these protocols to your client's best advantage. We hope you find this information interesting and informative.
We are now back at the Setup Options screen. Down in the right-hand side of the screen, you see the word Event Wizard. We're going to click that button and immediately go to the Event Wizard Designer for Brainmaster screen. The Event Wizard is a new feature in the 2.5 SE software. Tom, what is the Event Wizard?
What this is a new, very flexible and simple to use interface that allows you to design everything from simple to complex protocols. The programming interface uses pull-down menus and English language choices, allowing you to build protocols the way you think about them without the need to do special designs.
Why do we have Event Wizard in the 2.5 SE software?
Well, there's long been a need to do varieties of much more flexible and powerful training. For example, there's a need to train not only amplitudes, as we've done in the past, but also other variables such as frequency, percent energy, percent time over threshold, variability, coherence, and other types of variables. The Event Wizard gives you access to this wide range of variables. In addition, it allows you to define up to 16 different events which can occur separately or in conjunction with each other to produce even very elaborate protocols such as multiple thresholding, range training, and other types of training protocols.
As a new clinician, will I be using this feature in the Brainmaster software?
Sure, you can use it immediately using built-in protocols. There are more than a dozen built-in capabilities to do all sorts of training. In addition, it's very easy to design your own protocols for any special need you might have once you've become accustomed to how the Event Wizard works.
But it is also an advanced feature in Brainmaster?
Absolutely. It adds to all of the existing training capabilities. None of the old capabilities are gone. They all remain. And the Event Wizard rides on top of them and adds entirely new capabilities. In this segment, we'll be describing the use of the Event Wizard, which is a new method for designing and running protocols. As an introduction, we're going to run one of the simple protocols that's built into the system using the Event Wizard. We're using the test folder as before because this gives us the opportunity to load and test various built-in settings files. We will go first into Viewer Change Settings, which gives us, among other choices, the Read/Write a Settings file. It is in built-in settings file that we've provided a variety of new Event Wizard protocols. When we press this, we get a menu list item that gives us all the current standard settings files, including the built-ins. In the latest 2.5 release, there's a number of demo settings files which we see here, and most of these are built using the Event Wizard. As you can see, there's a variety of new capabilities which have previously not been available. We can train things such as amplitude with dynamic thresholding. We can train asymmetry in a variety of ways. We can do down training with multiple thresholds. We can train peak frequency. We can train percent energy. There's a variety of examples using percent energy training with different types of sounds. You see that we can combine voices. Here's a piano and violin combination. We can even program in different types of music. We can combine bell and voices. We can now train variability. There are some examples of variability down training. We can train coherence using range training, which we'll describe. We can even train phase and phase changes. We have new wideband inhibits, an assessment programs, and a variety, for example, set up using the EEG Pro methods. And for starters, let's just choose this demo wideband inhibit. We'll use the wideband squash with loudness modulated. This is going to provide a wideband down training with variable sounds. Having picked it, we move to read in settings from this file, press that selection, and then hit OK. Now we're looking at the control settings, the options. Now the first thing to understand is that when we use the Event Wizard, all of the existing training capabilities remain. We can still use all the frequency band controls, the training protocols can be used, all the display options, etc. But in this case, you'll observe that the training protocols are not being used specifically. Goes and stops are both turned off because we're going to do all of the training using the Event Wizard itself. Under feedback control, you'll notice that the only sound that has been selected is the event sound. When event sounds are turned on, the only sounds that will be used will be the Event Wizard sounds. Again, if you wish, you can combine different sounds, but for now, to keep it simple, we'll just use the event sounds. Now, to see the Event Wizard controls, we're going to go down to this button which says Event Wizard, and when we press this button, we're immediately presented with the Event Wizard control panel.